You know those people who can just walk into a room and poof, instantly connect with anyone? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not magic, and it's definitely not some personality trait you have to be born with. It's a skill. So today, we're going to crack the code on how to make people like you using the incredible work of Nicholas Boothman.
90 seconds. Take a good look at that number.
That's it. According to Boothman, that's the entire window you get. See, in that tiny sliver of time, people's ancient hardwired brains are making a lightning-fast judgment call. Are you a friend or a foe? An opportunity or a threat? Getting this single moment right, well, it changes everything.
So let's dive into the toolkit of connection. We're going to break down Boothman's techniques so you can make every single one of those 90 seconds not just count, but truly connect.
But here's the wild part. The real secret to a killer first impression? It has absolutely nothing to do with finding the perfect opening line. Nope. It all starts way, way before that. It's about winning the inner game before you even say hello.
All right, let's get into this because it's the foundation for everything else. Think of your attitude like this. It's the tray you serve yourself on, right? Is it a clean, inviting platter that makes people want to engage, or is it kind of grimy and cracked, making them want to back away? Your attitude sets the entire tone.
Boothman just boils it all down to two simple types. And choosing a really useful attitude, well, it's not just a nice idea. He says it's the non-negotiable first step. Making that conscious choice before you even walk into the room to be warm, to be curious, that's more powerful than any technique you could ever learn. And here's where it gets really cool. Your attitude isn't just a thought floating around in your head. It's a direct command to your body. When you decide to feel warm and open, your body automatically gets the message. Your shoulders relax, your face softens, you start sending out all the right signals without even trying. You don't have to fake it, because your body is literally designed to reflect your inner state.
So, you've set your internal compass. You're feeling warm, you're feeling open. Awesome. Now, how do we translate that feeling into an unforgettable first impression? This is where your attitude turns into action. Let's break down the perfect greeting.
And this is Boothman's brilliant, simple 5-step plan. First, open your body, he says, to literally aim your heart at them. Next, eye contact. Be the one who really sees them first. Then a real, genuine smile, the universal welcome sign. After that, a simple hi and your name. And finally, that subtle lean-in, which non-verbally just shouts, I'm here and I'm interested in...
Okay, so you've nailed the greeting. The door is officially open. Now what? Well, it's time to turn that little spark into a real connection. The next step is all about building a bridge of comfort and familiarity, and doing it in record time.
I mean, just think about your best friends for a second. Chances are you probably have similar ways of talking, similar energy levels, similar gestures. It's just a basic human truth. We are drawn to people who feel like us. And this simple idea is the key to Boothman's most powerful technique of all, synchronizing. You can think of synchronizing as a shortcut to rapport. Instead of just hoping a connection happens, you actually help create it. It's about tuning in to the other person's channel, not by being a weird copycat, but by respectfully aligning with their vibe to make them feel instantly and unconsciously at ease. Now, check this out. To make this work, you've got to focus on what people actually respond to. And according to some amazing research by Professor Albert Mehrbadian, a whopping 93% of how people perceive us has nothing to do with the words we're saying. Look at that chart. Our words are just that tiny 7% tip of the iceberg. The real connection, that happens in the huge, unspoken world of body language and tone of voice.
So what does this look like in real life? It's a subtle dance, a respectful mirroring. If they lean back, you gently lean back too. If they talk kind of quietly, you match that tone. It's not about being a parrot, it's about creating a sense of harmony. Honestly, it's what good friends do naturally, all the time without even thinking about it. All we're doing is making it a conscious tool to build that instant bond.
All right, we have covered a ton of ground here, from your internal mindset all the way to your external actions. So let's pull it all together into one simple, 3-part toolkit that you can literally start using the second this is over. This is your roadmap, right here. It all starts with the inner game. Get your attitude right. Then you move to that simple 5-part physical greeting. And finally, you lock in that connection with the subtle art of synchronization. You master these 3 things, and you'll be able to connect with pretty much anyone.
So there you have it. You have the framework to become a master of connection. The only question left is, who are you going to connect with today? Because making people like you isn't some gift from the heavens. It's a superpower, and it's one you can learn.